Guardiamo noi se no.
The president of the Japan Automobile Federation, welcome Michael.
Despite the records, to finish the season with a high in first position, that's what you wish to do, and then go to the long winter break we're going to face now. Obviously, we have had maybe two races being a little bit difficult for us, Monza and Indianapolis, and now we're back to normality, and that's a great end and a great result for a championship we have achieved to finish off the season for the team, for everyone.
By Mr. Kensuke Fukatsu, President of Suzuka Circuit Rally Championship.
I think it's been a good season. I think I was very unlucky in a lot of occasions that I could have had a very good result and the car broke down or something that happened, and I think we missed a lot of points. But being my first season, I think it's pretty good.
To the third place driver, David Coulthard, the totally
I did everything I could this year, and that was it. Second place was the best that I could do. Obviously a big gap to where Michael finished, and I think I was helped a little bit by Mika at the end there, who I think didn't want to come and have to talk to you this afternoon. So I thank him for that. But yeah, it's nice to finish the season, as Michael said, on the podium. To win would be fantastic, but I've never been that good around Suzuka, so I guess third isn't a bad result.